Ọ̀kan-ò-jọ̀kan àwọn ètò ló ti jẹ́ pípéyamọ sílẹ̀ láti yáyọ àyájọ́ Ilobu-Asake tọdún 2025 yìí nílùú Ilobu tí ṣe ibùjókòó ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ Ìrẹ́pọ̀dùn nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. Ààrẹ ẹgbẹ́ onídàgbàsókè Ilobu-Asake I.D.U pásítọ̀ Olúfẹ́mi Sàlàkọ́ tó sọ èyí di mímọ̀ lákòókò tó ń báwọn oníròyìn sọ̀rọ̀ nílùú Ilobu lọ́jọ́ Ajé ṣe lálàyé pé ara ọ̀kan-ò-jọ̀kan ètò tí wọ́n ti pèyàmọ́lẹ̀ láti rí gbígbé ètò ìlera dọ́dọ̀ àwọn àgbàlagbà, ìjíròrò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ètò ìlera fáwọn èwe, ìkówójọ fún ìdàgbàsókè ìlú Ilobu àtàwọn ọ̀kan-ò-jọ̀kan ètò míì èyí tí wọ́n ti là kalẹ̀ níbi àràgbá yamuyamu ètò tí ó wáyé ní ọjọ́ 8 oṣù kọkànlá tó bọ́ sọ́jọ́ Sátidé ọdún tá a wà yìí.
This year's celebration is intended to create another lasting memories, touching lives, and ultimately bring back to life the rich cultural heritage of Ilobu-Asake. The occasion shall also celebrate 9 family compounds who have been carefully selected for special recognition and awards for the valuable contributions of their sons and daughters to the development of the community and humanity as a whole. Saturday, November 8th, which is the grand finale of Ilobu Day 2025, His Excellency Governor Ademola-Adeleke is expected to lead an array of guests to our celebration and fundraising program. The Asiwaju of Ilobu land, Chief Aziz Kolade, the former Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Right Honorable Lasun Yusuf, among other illustrious sons and daughters, shall be hosting a galaxy of guests from all walks of life to this year's celebration.
Ààrẹ àpapọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ onídàgbàsókè Ilobu tún pe àkíyèsí ìjọba ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun sí àwọn nǹkan tó bàjẹ́ lákòókò ìforígbárí tó wáyé kọjá yìí tó ṣokùnfà bíba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn dúkìá tówó orí rẹ̀ tó bílíọ̀nù 2 náírà jẹ́, tó sì rawọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí gómìnà Adémọ́lá-Adélékè ti ìpínlẹ̀ yìí láti nawọ́ àánú àti ìrànwọ́ sí ṣíṣe àgbéǹde ìlú ọ̀hún padà.
As we celebrate this year, my charge to us is that after the storm comes the shine. As peace and tranquility has returned, the work of rebuilding has started, physically and emotionally. Let us join hands to continue to work to return our community to a friendly, welcoming city we have always been known for. While we believe that the era of commotion has gone in Ìrẹ́pọ̀dùn, but the scars are still there. Over 2 billion naira worth properties were destroyed and they remain in ruins as we are talking now. We want to appeal to our governor, Senator Ademola-Adeleke, to help us in providing succor to those seriously affected by the crisis, most especially the March 2025 crisis. Businesses were devastated and many are yet to recover, and very many families became homeless due to the crisis. We hope the government looks into the ways of resettling these families and these businesses in the 2 local governments of Ìrẹ́pọ̀dùn and Ilobu.
Ilobu-Asake Day tó jẹ́ àyájọ́ ọjọ́ Ilobu-Asake ní ayẹyẹ tó máa ń wáyé lọ́dọọdún láti sàmì ìṣọ̀kan àti ìlọsíwájú láàrin àwọn ọmọ Ilobu lọ́kùnrin àti lóbìnrin.